3 p.m. We just went for a swim. The water felt so good. We swam like up around that corner and then one more corner where there was actually people. There's a bunch of fish, some newts. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's Saturday. It's just shy of 8 a.m. We're about to see the sun come up over the mountain and we're about to play some cards. I don't know where it is. It's 9:30 in the morning. We're about to leave our campsite, but we wanted to take a dip in the river beforehand. It's so cold. Here's where our car is parked, just on the side of the road. So down there is where the river and our campsite is. So we just come along this one-way bridge. There's a lot of mosquitoes up like in this foresty area, but nothing really by the water. So we go down this hill. We've just picked up all of our camping stuff, but the tent was right there. And we're just along the river. For the last couple of weeks, this has been wobbling like crazy. So we glued it, pulled it off, glued it, and stuck those sticks in to hold it in place for now. So we'll see how it goes. You gonna take them out?
Better.
Much better. Sunday, it's 7 p.m. We finally just got a campsite. We had a really nice drive for most of the day, and then all the campsites we were gonna camp at have just not worked out. So it's been a long afternoon and evening. We're both hot, irritated, hungry, but we just set up camp. Tent, stove. He's peeling potatoes over there. Just made a salad and some ground turkey. We're along a river, I'm not sure what it's called, in the Six Rivers National Forest. that's on that road. We made it to our campsite. The beach is just right there. Got a little table, fire pit. Gonna set up.
Hello, happy birthday!
We finally got our beach camping. Well, as much as we can, so we can't drive on this, but we're just in those trees. It's around 10 a.m. We're just packing up our campsite and we're gonna head out for the day. We're not sure how far we're gonna make it today, where we're gonna camp today. We haven't really had like enough service and ability to plan. So we'll just see what happens.
Looks like the same. Looks the same. Look your corn, your radishes, cabbages.
Oh, there's a lot.
Apples. Cauliflower.
This is so cute.
Hi, Andrea.
We just stopped at a tiny library where I exchanged these books. Got this one.
Wow.
This one.
Wow.
This one. And
wow.
look, this one's about the South Pacific.
Wow. Yes. Let's go.